how to add components in Figma. So it's a very quick and simple step. All you have to do is follow along. So to make this step even more easier and quicker, I'm going to show you like how to use a shortcut key, and that shortcut key would be Shift and I. So all you have to do is just go to your keyboard and just type the key Shift and I, and it will directly lead you to this prompt, which is a component. So you can either type in and search for your desired component or choose from one of these. So I'm going to choose a bell. I think I've already done this before, and hit that insert, and you can now customize it. I'm going to delete this one. Okay, it's on the way. I've already made a build before, so I'm just going to show you. Like, you can customize it according to your desired size, and you can also like color it and stuff like that. And yeah, you can also like choose the thickness. Just go to the right section and into properties panel. Yeah, and I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Basic. Thank you for watching and happy designing.